YouTube-aroni. Okay, so I recorded this morning's car talk without a microphone. So basically, the recap for today is I had a great call with the gallery this morning, and we're kind of starting to get things in order for the show. And then my intention today was to originally to get in the studio, get another piece done, or get as far as we could on another. But I had, a couple of things today. I had the meeting in the morning, and then afterwards I hit the gym, and then I went to the studio, and I realized that it was an absolute disaster in there because of the previous day of painting, or the experimental day over the weekend, and then also just the build-up of the last few paintings, and I hadn't really given the studio a reset. And that's something that I normally like to do after, if I'm working large scale, I will do it after every large piece, but I haven't really established a protocol for, smaller or mid-sized ones. So today was just kind of like the breaking point for things, and I was just in there and just absolutely overwhelmed by the mess. So I got in there and I gave everything a really good clean. And then a friend needed a ride from work because their car is at the mechanic, so I gave him a lift. And then afterwards, I came back to the studio and then got the rest of everything cleaned up. And then instead of starting the new piece, I gave a second pass to the one previously, and there was some details in there that I wanted to touch up, so I went ahead and did that. And then what else? Oh, and then I just set myself up for success for tomorrow, and I projected the next painting. So tomorrow when I get in there, everything is going to be perfectly clean and ready to go, and it's all because, I took today to set myself up for tomorrow. And now I know that, on like experiment Saturdays, I have to clean when I'm done for the day. If not, just come in on Sunday and then just for the purpose of cleaning. Or try to get it done Friday after I'm done with, the week's worth of work. So one of those three things is going to have to start happening so that I don't have these kind of setbacks on Monday. And this is just kind of like a learning thing. I'm kind of in a new routine with stuff, and especially working at this scale. So kind of like the reset protocol is a little bit different, and I'm figuring it out, but we're getting it going and we're doing good. So I think that there's... if anything, the takeaway from today, very short video, but the takeaway from today is that you got to be able to pivot. You've got to be able to like flow with the day and take it how it comes, and still do your best to get as much work done as you possibly can. After I was done at the studio, I kind of realized that I'm still, I haven't really gotten set up here at the apartment. As you can tell, man, everything is still pretty sparse. So I went to storage today and I took out a couple of boxes, and I just got my books set up and stuff like that, and another couple of things in the restroom. I don't really have a whole bunch of stuff to put over there anyway, so I don't know. I should have maybe recorded on that side, so it looks like I did a whole lot more for the day. But for now, that'll have to do, and much love to everybody. I hope you're having a great day. I hope that you were productive. I hope you continue to be so. And just remember to pivot, man. Pivot whenever you have to. Go with the flow. Don't beat yourself up, and let's fucking go.